Hey guys, today is Monday, April 5th, 2021. So, if you haven't heard, there was a cyclone that hit Indonesia today. Its latest death toll is put at 160, but with every update, that figure keeps rising, so it might be a lot higher than that. But what's very interesting is the name of the cyclone. So, over there they have cyclone, we have hurricanes, it's the same thing, just different part of the world. So Seroja was the name of the cyclone. And Seroja means lotus flower. It's Indonesian for lotus. And as you can see in iPet Goat 2 here, the apple splits with the lotus flower. What else do we see here is the LC, which I said could mean 12-3. And I always say to watch dates that involve 12-3, expecting to see something happening. And guess what today was? It was Nisan 23, which is 123 on the Hebrew calendar. Not only that, when you take the release date of iPet Goat 2, June 24th, 2012, and reverse the dates, like I showed many times, keeping the same year, then you have 110 months, 19 days, a 9/11 connection to its release date. So, yeah, really interesting that those connections there. And if we look back, I've recorded some other things that happened in relation to the number 12-3, 123, such as in 2018, January 23rd, a 7.9 earthquake hit Alaska at 12:31 a.m. On 5/3, the 123rd day of the year, Kilauea erupted. On March 7th, which was 12:30 in the Hebrew calendar, Venezuela had a nationwide blackout. 123, January 23rd of last year, was the first lockdown in Wuhan due to the virus. And now today, 123 in the Hebrew calendar, cyclone hits Indonesia. But very interesting that cyclone means lotus flower. So one thing I noticed too is Apple recently closed exactly at 123. Apple splits next to the LC. And that was on April Fool's. In this video, Bush says, "Fool me once, can't get fooled again." So, and that was also on the anniversary that Apple was founded. So Apple was founded on April Fool's in 1976. So this was the 45th anniversary. There's some kind of big connection with 123 and Apple, and I think that relates to New York. So whenever that big tsunami that we think, or earthquake or big disaster is going to hit New York, I'm pretty sure it's going to be related to the number 123. Then if you look back, the day that Apple went public, its stock was on 12/12/1980. Well, that date also had a numerology of 123. So, another date that I was watching, I wasn't sure I was going to make a video on it, but I'll just add it to this video, was April 7th. As you can see, we see the 9/11 connection with the release date of iPet Goat 2. 1 month, 19 days prior to the next blood moon eclipse in May. It's also 2,137 weeks apart from the Georgia Guidestones being founded, which is the 322nd prime. So April 7th has a numerology of 97, which could be hurricane, tsunami, tidal wave, plane crash. I actually had my eye on South Korea, but I'm not going to go through all the connections I got with that. Well, South Korea isn't really known for hitting tsunamis, but, you know, anything can happen at the coast if there's weather weapons being used. But I'm just going to throw that out there, say South Korea, because then if it happens, you guys know it wasn't a coincidence. So, okay, that's about it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.